Trading is just like any other business, right? We buy at a lower price and sell at the higher price so we can profit from the difference between these two prices. Of course, there are other expenses of running the business like spreads and swaps and commissions and all of that. I don't want to go too much into that, but if you guys want to know about the expenses of being a full-time Forex trader, then just leave a comment down below. I will definitely make you a video about that. What's happening, people? My name is Afonso and this is Afonso Analysis. In today's video, I want to show you guys how I literally print money from my phone as a full-time Forex trader here in South Africa. Just a quick disclaimer here before I get into trouble with YouTube. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not offering you financial advice. Trading the Forex market carries a huge level of risk. Make sure you do not trade with the money that you can't afford to lose. On this video, guys, I'm not gonna go too deep into my strategy explaining how it works because I've already made tons of videos talking about my strategy. It's all over my YouTube channel, so just make sure to spend some time on my playlist and just learn this strategy because it's really profitable. But in today's video, I want to show you guys some of the results that I've been getting using this strategy. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that I am on a journey of making $100,000 and the results using this strategy have been mind-blowing. Now, before we jump into the charts, let's be real here for a second, guys, because things are really bad. If you're a real hustler from a third world country, I'm pretty sure you know how it is to be broke to the core, to be broke to the point where you can't even pay your rent. You know, it's pretty bad out here. And just to be realistic, man, the recent pandemics have left us in a worse state than we were before as a country. So things are really bad. There are no jobs out there. And what are you gonna do? What I do to escape? Because when all these automations and chat GDPs and all them T's are taking over, how are you going to survive? How are you going to be able to make a living when all these AIs have taken over the jobs? It's pretty bad and it's only going to get worse, man. And Forex trading, for me, it's a really nice skill to have because you literally self-dependent. It doesn't matter whether the market crashes or the market gains momentum or whatever happens, I'm always going to be able to print money. So please guys, make sure to learn the skill. Make sure to spend some time on my playlist because I really teach you this stuff for real, man. Watch my videos over and over again. Make sure to give me some likes. Make sure to subscribe, man, because I'm really trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers and we are still around 400. Please guys, make sure to give me a sub, man. It really doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot. And to me, you don't even have to be a trader to make money. You guys know that I've been showing you my other ways of making money, my affiliate marketing and CPA marketing ways of making money. If you haven't watched those videos, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I've already made I think about 2 videos talking about how I make money outside Forex trading, so please make sure you watch those as well. But the point is, however you get it, man, you need to be serious. Tate says time to getting rich is running out. You need to put everything together really fast and you need to get rich right now. There's no more time to fuck around. You need to push. However you get it, man, whether you are a video editor, Rick Ross says, however you get it, you just need to be persistent. Anyway, it's been a great profitable week with the team, man. We've been having nice trades, and adding that with the ones that we had last week, man, we are through the roof and everything is going nicely. So I recorded some of the trades and I just want to show you guys my thought process when I'm hunting for trades, the things that I go through when I'm managing the trades and all the way to take profit, so that you guys can see how I trade this strategy in real action. But otherwise, man, without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the charts and then I can show you some of those trades. Now, I just took a trade here on GBP USD and it's a buy. And actually, earlier today, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to that video, but I did sell GBP USD from this level here and it was really nice profits. Again, I'm gonna share a link to that video under this video so that you guys can see that I don't bullshit. I only trade price action. I depend on these candles to take a decision, right? And that decision is going to affect me making money or losing money. In real life, guys, I'm risking my own money based on these candles here, and I've already made a lot of videos on this channel talking about how the market moves, how I trade the market, my strategy and everything. I literally shared everything with you guys for free, and I want to show you guys how I trade the markets. I sold the market on was it 1 hour? I can't remember, but I will definitely leave the link here. Definitely this was it. After the market consolidated there, I was really convinced now that any moment we're going to be pushing to the downside. I just needed the market to close below these wicks here to show me that the sellers are really taking control, because you never want to be first in the markets, man. The market can push to the downside and push to the upside very quickly, so we always need those confluences, right? So I sold the market there and benefited. What a beautiful trade, man. I benefited through this move here. But this one here that I'm taking, it's a buy. Now, why is that? If we look left, taking into account everything I just told you, that every time the market struggle at a certain point, when the market gets there again, it's more likely to struggle. Now, in this case, the market didn't reach quite well here. And this is a very important point to note, because these places here are zones. You must never think of these turning points as a rule-based type of thing. It's always a zone. The market can react any way it wants. What we need to see is some signs of bulls in these zones here. So when the market pushed to the downside, immediately we got some hesitation to say the market can't break to the downside anymore. This is our floor, guys, and this is our ceiling now. This zone is our ceiling. The market came to bounce at the ceiling and push to the downside, and now it's at the floor. What do we think it's going to do when it gets to the floor? Are we more likely expecting the market to break the floor and come back to the zones here? Well, the market can do that. It can always come back to the zones here. Then if that happens, then we're going to trade it to what it is at that point in time, right? But what made me buy this here, it's the action that I saw on the 15 minutes, because you always want to zoom lower just to see what the market is going to do, especially when the market gets to a key level, the zones that it reacted from before. Because look at what happened the last time the market got here. There was so much commotion there. The market didn't know what to do, and it literally pushed to the upside. So what is more likely to happen when the market gets back to these zones here? Because this tells us this is our floor, or there's too much hot water in there and the market just can't break to the downside. Hence the market is reacting to the upside. Now obviously I'm going to update you on this trade tomorrow, because it's already late now. I'm not going to stay through the night watching a trade, but I have my stops in place. If I'm wrong about the direction of the trade, then definitely the market is going to kick me out. But I am expecting to break even by the time I get to these zones here. Now I'm not going to sleep now. Obviously I sleep pretty late, so I'm going to see what the market does at the close of this 4 hour here, which is going to be around 12 o'clock, which is midnight. I'm going to see what happens to this candle here. If it closes as a bullish candle like that, then definitely the market is going to push to the upside, and I am going to benefit to this move here to the upside. Now that is an easy 1 2 3. I want to catch a 1 2 3 on there, so I'm going to put my take profits there, because I do expect the market to come back and retest these levels here. So that is my analysis for GBP USD, guys. I will definitely update you tomorrow, but that is what I do when I get into the market. I really just read my candlesticks, because candlesticks are all the information we're gonna ever need to make the decision. Traders, we are back. It's Wednesday today. It's still early, to be honest with you. It's 7:30. I just sat on my charts right now, and I'm a day trader, so I trade on a daily basis. But I just want to update you on this trade here that we took yesterday, GBP USD. Let's just zoom in, and as you can see, the trade has been pushing to our direction. Now we took the buy right there on these points here, and I was telling you guys that I am expecting the market to come back to these levels here to hit that take profit, and throughout the night this thing has been shooting to the upside. I mean, it's all profit, you know. And at this point, because I don't want to lose any money in the markets, I'm gonna trail my stops to that level there, and then I'm gonna wait for the market to shoot to the upside, you know, to take the rest of the profits. I'm gonna see and monitor what the market is gonna do there. If I start seeing spikes from the upside indicating that the market is failing to push to the upside, and then I might as well close that trade. But at the moment, I'm gonna move my stop loss to 122143. If you are trading with me here on this trade, make sure you move your stop loss, guys, and that is a very nice place. I'll be back during the day just to update you what happened to the trade, but at the moment those are the results, guys. This is literally the definition of making money on my sleep. And traders, we are back. What a beautiful trade. To be honest with you, I don't know what else to tell you. If you remember, the last time we had moved our stop loss to around this level here, just to secure some of these profits here, so that if the market decides to come back down, then we know that we are still making money. But the market never came down to these levels here. I mean, it reacted on that zone here, and we saw a beautiful push to the upside, straight to take profit. I mean, what a beautiful trade. And the market is on another zone right now. It's pretty late at night now. I was really busy, so I couldn't commentate on that trade so we can get that feel of a take profit. But just look at that, man. Beautiful trade from start to finish, from step 1 when we are hunting for these trades, to step 2 when we are managing these trades, and now step 3 taking profits. What a beautiful 1 to 4 there. I mean, I couldn't be happier today. It was just a beautiful day. And guys, I used to be a Bolt driver, and to be able to get into the markets and print money like that in front of you guys, it's such an exciting feeling. But there you go, man. GBP USD, beautiful trade. Tomorrow we're gonna hunt for more trades. I'm not gonna take any trades overnight, simply because I hate paying the spreads. But yeah, man, just make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't subscribed. I really drop some great content. But yeah, man, this is it. We are still on a journey of making that $100,000. I just want to show you guys that this is really possible, man. I mean, I'm just a normal guy from South Africa, and I'm doing this in front of you guys. No boss, no manager, no marketing directors and everything like that. This is my own thing. I just get into the markets, read the candlesticks, and execute my trades. And that is such a beautiful thing. But otherwise, good evening, man. Have a good evening, guys.